What if the bloating, heaviness, and low energy you've been feeling isn't just stress or getting older? Some health experts believe that sluggish digestion can cause waste to linger in the colon longer than it should, leading to discomfort, gas, and fatigue. When your digestive system slows down, food sits longer, fermentation increases, and you may start noticing persistent bloating, heavy feeling after meals, irregular bowel movements, low energy even after sleep. The good news? Certain simple natural drinks may help support digestion and keep things moving without harsh laxatives or expensive cleanses. Today, we're ranking 7 natural digestive drinks, from the mildest to the most powerful, so you know what's actually worth trying and what might not help much at all. And stay with me. The number 1 drink at the end is the one most people overlook, yet it may have the strongest impact. Gentle starters for mild digestive support. Let's start with the milder options. These can help, but they're not miracle fixes. Drink number 7, warm prune water, gentle support. Prunes contain sorbitol, a natural compound that pulls water into the intestines, helping soften stool. That's why many people use them for occasional constipation. How to try it. Soak 4 to 5 prunes in warm water overnight. Drink the water in the morning. Eat the soaked prunes. This is gentle and safe for most people, but it works slowly. Think of it more as a starter, not a reset. Drink number 6, chia seed water, fiber boost. Chia seeds absorb liquid and form a gel-like texture. This adds bulk to stool and may help stimulate bowel movements. How to try it. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 8 ounces warm water. Let sit 10 to 15 minutes. Drink, then follow with another glass of water. Important, without enough water, chia can actually increase bloating. Hydration is key. Drink number 5, magnesium water, mineral support. Magnesium helps relax intestinal muscles and draw water into the colon. Many adults don't get enough of it through diet alone. How to try it. Small dose magnesium citrate powder. Mix in warm water. Drink in the evening. This option tends to be more effective, but always check with your doctor, especially if you have kidney issues. These first drinks are helpful, but they mostly soften stool or add bulk. The next group goes deeper. They support gut lining, beneficial bacteria, and digestion itself. And one of them may surprise you: gut repair and microbiome support. Now we're moving into drinks that don't just push things along, they help improve how your digestive system functions. Drink number 4, aloe vera with lemon. Aloe vera contains compounds that may help soothe the digestive tract. Lemon adds flavor and supports digestion. How to try it. 2 ounces pure innerleaf aloe vera juice. Juice of half a lemon. 6 ounces warm water. Drink on an empty stomach. Avoid sugary aloe drinks. Added sugar can worsen gut imbalance. Drink number 3, kefir with ground flaxseed. This combination supports both good bacteria and fiber intake. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink rich in probiotics, while flaxseed provides fiber and compounds that feed beneficial microbes. How to try it. Half cup plain kefir, 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed. Stir and drink immediately. Many people report improved regularity within days. These drinks help repair your gut environment. But the top 2 drinks focus on something even more important: stimulating digestive movement itself. And the number 1 option combines 2 powerful ingredients most people never think to use together. Powerful digestive activators. Drink number 2, beetroot lemon juice. Beets contain natural nitrates that help improve circulation, including blood flow to the digestive tract. Better circulation can support intestinal muscle activity. How to try it. 1 medium beet, chopped. 1 cup water. Juice of half lemon. Blend and strain if desired. Drink in the morning or early afternoon. Note: beets may temporarily turn urine pink. Drink number 1, ginger and artichoke digestive tonic. This is the standout combination. Ginger supports stomach emptying. Artichoke may stimulate bile production and digestion. Together, they help activate the entire digestive process. How to try it. 1 inch fresh grated ginger. 2 tablespoons artichoke liquid, from jar, or artichoke tea. Juice of half lemon. 8 ounces warm water. Drink 20 minutes before dinner. This drink targets digestion from top to bottom, not just the colon. 2 habits that make these drinks work better. These cost nothing, but make a big difference. 1. Chew thoroughly. Digestion starts in the mouth. Smaller particles are easier to process. 2. Stop eating when 80% full. Overeating slows digestion and increases fermentation. Simple 7-day digestive reset plan, days 1 to 3. Drink ginger artichoke tonic before dinner. Focus on chewing thoroughly. Days 4 to 7. Keep evening tonic. Add either Kefir flax or beet juice in the morning. Consistency matters more than perfection. Summary: if you're dealing with bloating, heavy feeling after meals, sluggish digestion, or irregularity, start simple. Mild option, prune water. Moderate, Kefir plus flax. Strongest, ginger plus artichoke tonic. Small daily habits can help support your digestive system naturally. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and comment below. Which drink are you going to try first? Your gut might thank you for it.